bienvenidos clases. Esta Señora Hrabovecky es tu primera lección en pronombres, subject pronouns. So today we're going to be discussing subject pronouns. What are subject pronouns? What do we use them for? We use them to replace people's names. In Spanish, we often replace people's names with a subject pronoun. So, for an example, first one we'll be discussing is the subject pronoun yo. Yo means I. So when I'm talking about myself, I would say yo. Yo me llamo Señora Hrabovecky. The next subject pronoun is tú. Tú is used to discuss someone informally, like your friend. Tú is not used to talk to your teacher. If you were talking to Señora Hrabovecky, you would use usted. Usted is more formal you. That's what you would use to talk to your teacher or someone with the title, your principal, a police officer. You would use usted. And these are all singular forms of subject pronouns. The next one we'll be using is él. Él means he. So if you want to talk about a classmate, él se llama Juan. If you want to describe your girlfriend in class, ella se llama Juana. So these are all singular subject pronouns that we use in Español. Yo means I. Tú is informal you. Usted is formal you. Él is he. And ella is she. Next we'll be discussing plural nouns. Plural pronouns. Nosotros means we. If you're just talking about a group of mixed boys and girls, you use nosotros. If you're just talking about a group of girls, you would use nosotras. That would be switched to as. Next form we're using, plural subject pronoun, is vosotros. Vosotros is only used in Spain, and sometimes it's also used in Argentina. And vosotros is used to talk about a group of people, they all. And it's something that's customarily only used in Spain or Argentina. Now, when you're talking about a group of people and you're not included, with nosotros, you're included in the group. If you're talking about a group and you're also included, that means we, you would use nosotros. If you're talking about another group and you're not included, you would use ellos. And that's the masculine form. In Spanish, when using subject pronouns, masculine supersedes the feminine. When you're talking about a mixed group of males and females, you always use the masculine form. You could have 100 boys and 1 girl, you would still use ellos. Opposite, if you have 100 girls and 1 boy, you still use ellos. Okay? And the last form is ustedes. That means they all in Español. Hope you had a great lesson, and I will see you next time. Adios!